Lesson 5, Flush Medians. A flush median is a road marking like this, designed to keep you out of traffic flow when turning and maintain traffic flow. There are two ways to use the flush median. The first is this. The blue car is turning right. Traffic is busy both ways. The driver observes a suitable gap and pulls out onto the flush median. He waits here until it is safe to merge into traffic. Easy as that. Let's show you the other way to use the flush median. This time, the blue car moves onto the flush median early, allowing plenty of time to reduce speed before turning right. This helps traffic behind to continue. OK, let's show you the common fault that occurs at the flush median on a driving test. The driver of the blue car intends turning right at the road ahead. Instead of reducing speed on the flush median, this driver reduces speed in front of traffic and enters the flush median late just before turning right. You can see traffic behind is affected. Doing this will earn you a fault. Now there is one other thing. If you do happen to go in late on a flush median, look over your shoulder for traffic beside you before you move across. Remember, the testing officer can award you a fault for not checking your blind spot. Remember, when possible, enter the flush median early to help traffic flow smoothly. Also, be aware of pedestrians, cyclists, other vehicles and raised islands before you enter onto the flush median. Finally, do not use the flush median as a lane for overtaking vehicles.